Students, we are going to discuss about material, metal and non-metal, chapter 4, class 8th. Before we know what are metal and non-metal, we know what are atom and what are elements. What are atoms? The smallest unit of the element is called atom. A substance is made up of atoms. That is, an atom is the fundamental unit of a substance. An atom consists of three particles. These particles are electron, proton, and neutron. Atom word is made from two words. A for cannot. Tom fair means cut. Atom means cannot cut or uncuttable. The atom is so tiny it cannot be further. What are elements? A substance formed by combining similar atoms is called an element. Element cannot be broken down further by chemical reaction such as cooling, heating or by electrolysis. Examples of elements are silver, gold, iron, copper, sulfur, carbon, etc. In these, some substances are metal and some are non-metal, such as silver, gold are metal, sulfur, carbon, etc. are non-metal. What is metal? Some materials are hard, solid, luxurious, malleable, ductile, sonorous, and good conductor of heat and electricity are called metal. Example: iron, silver, copper, aluminium, gold, etc. Hard, solid, luxurious, malleable, ductile, sonorous, good conductors. These all are the physical properties of metal. We know metal are hard. Generally metal are hard. But metal like sodium and potassium are soft and can be cut with a knife. It is the exception of metal. Generally metal are solid, but mercury is only metal which is found in liquid state at room temperature. It is also an exception. Now, now we will discuss other physical properties of metal. Luxurious means shiny, malleable, ductile, sonorous, good conductor of heat and electricity. What is malleability? The property of metals by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. The shape of the iron nail and the aluminium wire changed on beating. If they were beaten harder, these could be changed into sheets. You might be familiar with silver foil used for decorating sweets. You must also be familiar with the aluminium foil used for wrapping food. Next property of ductility. The property of metal by which it can be drawn into wires is called ductility. Next property is sonorous. Metal make distinct sound when by they hit each other or one hammered. This ringing sound property of metal is called sonorous. Owing to this property, metal are used in making bells and other musical instruments. What is conductor? Those substances which heat and electricity pass through them are called conductor. Metal are the good conductor of heat such iron, copper, silver. So electric wire and electric heater are made up of metal. What is non-metal? Material like coal and sulfur are soft and dull in appearance. They break down into a powdery mass on tapping with a hammer. They are not sonorous and are poor conductor of heat and electricity. These materials are called non-metals. Non-metals are so the just opposite of the metal. What is metalloids? Few elements exhibit properties of both metal and non-metal are called semi-metals or metalloids such as brass, bronze, etc. Difference between metal and non-metal. Appearance. Metal are luxurious, shiny. Non-metal are dull. Hardness. Generally hard, non-metal soft. Malleability. Metal are malleable, non-metal are non-malleable. Ductility. Ductile. Metal are ductile, non-metal are non-ductile. Heat conduction. Metal are good conductor, non-metal are bad conductor. Conduction of electricity. Metal good conductor, non-metal are bad conductor. These difference show the physical properties of metal and non-metal. Due to property of malleability, aluminium foils are used to wrap food items. Immersion rod for heating liquids are made up of metallic substance because metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. These are the uses of metal due to their physical property.